Hello everyone, it's Chaosity here, or you may know me as Gug. I am running a workshop course for how to port Fortnite models. I decided instead of going over this every single time, I was just going to make a prerequisite video for stuff I'd like you to have done before you actually go through and join the course. So basically what I have here is I've made a Google Drive folder filled with the materials that you are going to need throughout the tutorial, throughout the course. We have the import plugin. We have UModel itself, which, by the way, one important thing, a .url link, what you do is you download it by hitting that download button. And then you just open it. And then it will direct you to the website. And then it'll direct you to gilder.org/en/projects/umodel #files. I'll also put this link in the description of this YouTube video just so you can have it. But so what you need to do is you need to download that as well as this 002core_5_win32.dll. This basically allows the current version of UModel to work with the current version of the Fortnite packs just because they use a different system than what UModel is normally used to. Next, what you're going to need to do is navigate to wherever you have your Fortnite installed, which mine's installed on my D drive, and then you'll see a folder called Epic Games. Once you're inside that, you're going to want to go to Fortnite game, content, packs, and then you want to input your UModel that you are going to download, like so, as well as this DLL right here. You want to put both of those in this packs folder. Just give it a second. You got that DLL. Let's download this bad boy. Hopefully it'll decide to do so sooner or later. Oh, there we go. Okay, so now that we have both, we want to open up this folder right here. Make sure that it's just the flat name for the DLL. So I already have it in there, so I'm not going to replace the DLL. But you just drag it in there. No questions asked. And then you'll take this little folder right here, and then you'll just drag this DLL file and this .exe file right into your packs like so. I'll replace those real quick. And once you do that, you'll have that stuff all set up so you can exit out of both. Next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to navigate back to this pack folder, and then you're going to want to go to the importer and then right click and download it. This is a plugin for Blender that basically allows you to input a it'll allow you to input the PSK file format, which is the format that Unreal Engine uses. Pardon my stutter. But so what you want to do is you want to open up your Blender like I am here. I opened multiple. Yeah, let me just close one. And then it'll just kind of load for a second. Give it its time. Once it's in, you want to hit File, or you want to go to Edit, Preferences. And then you want to go to your add-ons, Install, navigate to wherever you downloaded that .py file, which I downloaded it to here. And then there it is right there. You should see that little snake icon next to it. Double click it. It'll say something like that. And then it should say something like this. What you want to do is you just want to check that box right there to make sure it's enabled. Make sure that the check is in there, and then close it. And then you're all set up. If you want to end up joining the courses, which will be held on Saturday and Sunday, make sure that you have the workshop key on Grim's 3D Art server. And if you need any help with doing this, just contact me via DMs on the server. That's it for right now.